Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about skipping the request during collection run in Bruno. To skip the execution of the current request, use bru.runner.skipRequest method in the pre-request script section. This function is valid only within the context of a collection run. So in order to skip a request during the collection run, you have to use the command bru.runner.skipRequest method in the pre-request section of the request. So we can go straight to the demo. So I have already opened Bruno. For this particular demo, I am using the collection HTML reporter. It has got two requests, create user and get user. So in real time, when you have a big collection and you have multiple requests in that collection, and if you want to skip one particular request, so during collection run you can use the script, this particular script in the pre-request script section of the request which you want to skip. So here in the get user section, I have opened the tab script. Now I am pasting the copied command. So this is the command you have to use in order to skip the request. So when you execute the collection from the collection runner, this particular request will be skipped by the collection runner. So we can verify that. So I am going to execute the collection using the runner. So I am clicking on three dots. There is a run option. You have two requests in this collection. Now I am going to click on the run collection option. So you can see the get user has been skipped. This is because of the function which we have added in the pre-request script section. So in real time, when you want to skip any request, you can make use of this particular command in the pre-request script section of the request you want to skip. So this is how you skip request during collection run in Bruno. So this particular method is only applicable in the context of a collection run only. So this will not work when you execute the collection from command line. This is only applicable to the collection runner. So I hope this session was useful for everyone. If you find this session helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video if you have any queries. I will be clearing out the queries. Thanks for watching and keep learning.